In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Word on your PC. If you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe. Let's get started. The first step is to go to the Microsoft 365 website online. All you need to do is click on the first official Microsoft link and log in at the top right with a Microsoft email address. There, you'll be able to see all the software in the Microsoft 365 suite like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on that you can already use in the online version. So of course, you won't have all the advanced features of these software. So then you click on the Home option, and then you'll be able to see the option to install these applications on your device. But in order to install these applications, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan of Microsoft 365. So you can see the prices right here. It ranges from $10 to $7 per month, depending on the subscription you choose. So it can be more or less expensive, depending on the person. So that's why I'm going to share with you the tip that I use it to get these subscriptions for much cheaper. Thanks to GamsGo, a platform where users can share premium subscriptions for lower costs in the world, to share premium subscriptions and thus get a lower price on their premium subscription. Like here, 3.67 euros per month. So you see, it's really a good deal, and it allows you to have the Microsoft software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. So you can find the link to the GamsGo platform directly below the video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. All you have to do is click on the link and you'll be automatically redirected to GamsGo. You can log in at the top right with an email address in just a minute. Once that's done, on the homepage, you'll find the Office.com 365 option. And then all you have to do is click on Join Now. So you can select the duration of the subscription you want. Subscribe, so from 3 to 6 months. If you take 6 months, you'll get a bigger discount. You can even add my promo code GUMMY, like this, to get an additional discount. You see that it goes down to 3.27 euros per month, so it's really a great deal. Then you click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by debit card, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. The platform is 100% secure. Once the payment is processed, you'll instantly receive your login details in your subscription tab to access your Microsoft 365 account with all the software unlocked. Then all you have to do is go back to the Office.com page like this and log in with those credentials. Once that's done, you can simply click on Install the apps, and they will automatically install on your device. It works on both computer, Mac, or tablet, etc.